Hi everybody, I've got Peugeot 307, got problem with it, the starter motor. As can you see, when I switch on, the starter motor starts slipping. The pinion drive doesn't engage with the engine. So I decided to change the starter motor, and I will get back to you soon. This is the tools needed to disassemble the starter motor. We start with the Torx tools, screwdriver, 2 wrenches, and 1 screwdriver, and the other one T socket. So we will start to disassemble the battery. First of all, remove this part, remove the negative pole of the battery. To ease the process, first of all, you have to disassemble the air filter accessories. This part first, and then the hose. Now you can easily pull this plastic cover over the battery. Remove the positive pole of the battery. Remove it gently. And in order to remove the battery completely, you need to unscrew these bolts. This 10mm bolts. Use this special tool to make it easy to remove. Try not to fold the bolts. Keep it here. Remove the battery. Now I have to disassemble this part of the air filter. Again, I need to use the 10mm socket. It's a long journey to reach the starter motor for the Peugeot 307. Disassemble this hose by pressing this yellow button and pull it back. Now I have to release this clamp in order to remove the air filter assembly. As you can see here, this starter motor should be here, and it's reachable, kind of, full of things above it, and we will sort it out now, and I will get back to you soon. Guys, in order to remove the starter motor, there are many bolts need to be unbolted. First of all, I can see it. I'm not sure if you are able to see it through my camera or not. I'll try to show you. This is one of them. I need to unbolt this one, and also there is someone underneath, under this hose. I need to remove it. Accordingly, I have to release this hose by unscrew this Torx bolt. After that, I will disconnect this cable, the positive battery cable, and there is another one small wire attached to the automatic solenoid for the starter motor, also need to be unbolted. So stay with me connected and don't go far. I just wanted to show you the second bolt that need to be unbolted in order to remove the starter motor. I barely reached it, and I put the wrench on it, and I will unscrew it now, and I will get back to you soon. Yeah. This is the final step to remove the starter motor. Finally, I got it. It was 3 bolts, one can be reached easily. Last one is in the bottom, and so it was so difficult to disassemble. Thank you very much. Get back to you soon. As can you see, the clutch pinion is completely damaged. Thank you. Quick cleaning needed here. Make everything tidy and clean. Do whatever you can do to clean everything. Need to put some grease on it in order to ease its work. And here we are, ready to go. Hi guys, again, having done all the things to install the new starter motor, tighten the 3 bolts, putting the main cable again for the positive, and fix the small bolts here for the hose, and we are ready to go. And now time for truth. Negative one. This is the negative pole. And we now put a positive pole. And we'll try to start the engine. Here we are, job done safely, and we are happy. And thank you for watching and listening. Please press like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Now we start press the spray, the fluid, to clean all the dirt around the throttle. You need to have assistance from anybody with you.